Now question number 2. Second, 32 raised to 2 by 5. Now 32, that is 2 raised to 5. In previous example I have explained 32, that is 2 raised to 5 whole raised to 2 by 5. Now power of power multiplication, that is 2 raised to 5 into 2 by 5. 5 into 2 by 5, 5 cut, that is 2 square, and 2 square, that is 2 into 2, 4. Now 125 whole raised to minus 1 by 3. Now there is another law. A raised to minus n equal to 1 upon a raised to n. So we use this law in this example. 125 raised to minus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 upon 125 raised to, here the power is negative, but when we take in a denominator, then the exponent will be positive, is equal to 1 upon, now 125, that is 5 raised to 3, 5 into 5 into 5, that is 5 5s are 25, 25 raised to 25 5s are 125 whole raised to 1 by 3 is equal to 1 upon 5 raised to power of power multiplication, that is 3 into 1 by 3, 3 cut, that is 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5 raised to 1, that is 5. Now question number 3. First, 2 raised to 2 by 3 into 2 raised to 1 by 5. Here the base are same and multiplication, so we are taking sum of exponent is equal to 2 raised to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Now we find the sum of this rational number, that is 2 by 3 plus 1 upon 5. Now how to find the sum? First we are taking LCM of 3 and 5. LCM of 3 and 5, that is 15. So here we have to make equal denominator. LCM is 15. So by which number we multiply? So we obtain 15. 3 5s are 15. So here we multiply by 5 also. Here 5 3s are 15. So here we multiply by 3 also. Now 5 2s are 10 plus 1 3s are 3 upon 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, LCM is 15. So we write 1 time, that is 15. So 10 plus 3, that is 13 upon 15. So is equal to 2 raised to 13 upon 15. Now third sum, 11 raised to 1 by 2 upon 11 raised to 1 by 4. Here base are same and division, and we know that base are same and division, so we are taking subtraction of exponent, that is 11 raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So is equal to 11 raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Here we find the subtraction 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Now first of all we make the denominator same, that is we have to find the LCM. Now LCM of 2 and 4, that is 4. So is equal to 1 by 2. Here to make denominator 4 we have to multiply with 2. So here we multiply 2 with numerator also. So if we cut 2 and 2, so we obtain 1 by 2. Here there is 4 in denominator, so we multiply by only 1. Here we multiply by 1. 4 1 ja 4. So here 2 1 ja 2 upon 2 2 ja 4 minus 1 1 ja 1 upon 4 1 ja 4 is equal to, now LCM same 4 and 2 2 minus 1, that is 1 by 4. So is equal to 11 raised to 1 by 2 minus 1, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, that is 1 by 4. Now fourth sum, 7 raised to 1 by 2 into 8 raised to 1 by 2. Here base are different but exponent are same, so we are taking 7 into 8 whole raised to 1 by 2 because both have same exponent. So 7 into 8 whole raised to 1 by 2 and 7 8 ja 56 whole raised to 1 by 2. So our exercise 1.6 is over. Remaining example are homework. Thank you.